Pinky Anand, member of the BJP National Executive, top lawyer of the Supreme Court, and Shazia Elmi of Arvind Kejriwal's team and India Against Corruption. Shazia, Pinky Anand has said it already today to Times Now. She is going to watch every word that Arvind Kejriwal utters. She is going to measure it for its possible scandalous or defamatory content. And she will not hesitate, she told Times Now, to act against you legally should you do something that is legally unsustainable. You heard her. She's here tonight to debate you. Will you pull your punches?
Well, we sit here unfazed by all of this, whether these threats or intimidation of any kind or threats of legal kind, so to speak. We are prepared and we take full responsibility for all the documents, for all the revelations that we will make tomorrow. We take full responsibility. We cannot disclose as of now, one has to wait a few hours, but yes, we will prove it to everybody that we are against the corrupt, no matter which party they come from. And if you want to fight this whole scourge of corruption, you have to deal with it objectively.
Are you doing a balancing act?
People should take a stand.
Are you doing a balancing act? Because you see, 1 minute.
No, we're not. No.
Allow me.
There is no need to do a balancing act.
Allow me,
See, you find corrupt in every party.
No, allow me.
So
but
it becomes a balancing act. One doesn't have to do
one
it.
sec. You are
the corrupt people have done the balancing act.
Yes.
They evenly distributed in all the parties.
Yes,
so they balance themselves out.
But why would you not?
It's all there. One doesn't have to do it.
No, 1 second. I'll let. By the way, Pinky said, I don't know, she doesn't know why you are using the word threat. She says she hasn't threatened you.
There's no threat. Arnav, the question is if somebody can make a so-called expose on press conferences and talk about it for the last 3 weeks constantly without doing anything, without coming up with anything, and then you say that somebody is corrupt simply on the saying of somebody, I don't think we can have such action. And I think it's time now that we took stock. Just because much is being made out of statements made by Kejriwal group and the IEC group, everything they say is not gospel truth and everything they say is not substantiated. We'll see. In any case, we are ready to face anything that comes.
What will you see? What would you see?
Even brought out. We will see whatever is brought out. And let me tell you, Arnab, it is my belief that there is nothing which they can come out with excepting statements. We've already seen the statements of people made saying regarding alleged meetings, which is not there. There's a legal notice which was sent to Anjali Damani about the so-called meeting. There hasn't been a meeting. She herself says there is no record of such meeting. So anybody makes a statement in the air saying, I met somebody and this person makes such a statement which is not there anywhere. Where are we going from?
Now, either it comes out in the form of a tape or in the form of a document.
You know, Arnav.
No, one sec, Shazia. You see, you have
No, Arnav, my statement is not it comes out in the form of a tape. There isn't any such meeting.
No,
obviously, that is the whole issue.
How do you
talking about coming out with a tape or a CD or anything.
Miss Anand, how do you know it's about a meeting? It could be about something else, something new, some fresh revelation, right?
Oh, sure. We'll see. We'll see whatever they come out with. But let me tell you here that Nitin Gadkari ji is ready to make any statement, face any issue and come out clean on the basis of integrity and transparency.
Shazia, you wanted to say something, or I had a follow-up.
I'm glad, Pinky, you're there. You legally take care of it. And please do see, like you keep saying, we'll see. Yes, please do see. And we want everyone else also to see that when it comes to corruption, all parties, there is a balancing act.
We are not running shy.
All evenly distributed.
Shazia, just a statement, a balancing act is one part of it. But this threat has been made by your group from the last 3 weeks on and off. This expose is coming, I don't know when this so-called tiger is going to be let loose. So when it is let loose, we'll see.
Shazia, my question to you is this.
If you see there's a sword of democracy is hanging overhead, let me tell you, tomorrow is the day. 5 p.m.
Shazia, sword of democracy the question is not there, but there has to come a time when simple allegations cannot be carried forth beyond the fact that they are allegations. You know, just now, even today,
Pinky,
we had
defamation case against
Digvijay Singh. Shazia, the point is Digvijay Singh's statements and the defamatory allegations that he made against Jitinji, notice was sent to him. Thereafter, a criminal defamation case has been filed. Even today, in fact, the witnesses' statements are recorded and the matter is reserved for orders on 2nd of November for issuing summons to the accused. I mean, that is the extent of which situation has gone. Digvijay Singh has not even responded to the legal notice.
Digvijay Singh,
and in fact, in an interview,
defamation case every day. But doesn't take them very seriously.
Well,
our case, I think you will take it very seriously.
No, the question is not there.
It won't be wild allegation like
I'm sorry.
daily slew of fictitious, fabricated lies that he makes up. It won't be one of those. There'll be something solid.
Digvijay Singh made a statement
looked at, discussed in detail.
May I please intervene? Ms. Shazia Elmi, Ms. Pinky Anand, in the middle of this wonderful tete-a-tete between the both of you. My question to Shazia Elmi is this.
Have a chance.
Occasionally I have to say that. My question tonight to Shazia Elmi is of you, and I want short and straight answers from you. Shazia Elmi, why would you not, you waited 3 weeks, right? You've postponed this on 2 occasions. You've been threatening to do it for a long time. The whole country is talking today about Robert Vadra's land dealings, which honest IAS officer Ashok Khemka is almost fighting alone. Why would Arvind Kejriwal not fight for Ashok Khemka and shift the attention and shift the attention to Gadkari tomorrow?
See, and if you don't do it, then you'll say, why aren't you talking about BJP?
No.
You know, Arnav, exactly.
Am I dictating your agenda?
Today not to have an exposure tomorrow.
No, am I dictating your agenda? I'm not dictating your agenda.
Why are you fighting shy of exposing the BJP?
No, one second.
So, any which way,
1 second.
You'll be damned.
No, 1 second.
So
No, that's not.
Decided not to expose Gadkari tomorrow as to why we are fighting shy and postponing further and further the revelations on Gadkari.
Shazia,
so, any which way, you'll ask questions of that kind.
No, that's not true. We are not dictating your agenda. Times Now is not dictating your agenda, certainly. The question tonight is of whether you're doing a balancing act. You know, you have to attack all political parties evenly. You have to be seen to be even. And because even Digvijay Singh is saying that I am going to watch what you say tomorrow. If you don't say a few tough things about Mr. Gadkari, then I have a few tough things to say to you. So it could be said that maybe Digvijay Singh or the Congress party is dictating your agenda. You're doing a balancing act.
Well, I hope Digvijay Singh then calls it quits, after we do that. But the fact
No, but are you playing to Digvijay Singh's gallery?
Corruption is not the monopoly. Corruption is not the sole forte or the monopoly of any one party. We have seen corruption and corrupt, people, even when it includes very senior members of the executive or even people from different parties, and they work together in cahoots, hand in glove. And that's exactly what we want to expose. Because people talk, there's a lot of posturing. Every debate of yours, Arnab, and every other debate on television has a standard format. Corruption, Congress, BJP, they talk about corruption of each other parties.